So it's 5 o'clock here. So we've decided to get up really early to go and film the sunrise over the rice terrace fields. Joe's just googled it.
It says it's open till 8. So I hope it's open.
Let's go. So we've pulled over because Joe needs a coffee. Ella Bird gets the worm. Yeah. Hi guys, so we're here at the rice terrace field. There's like this little slither basically, and yeah, we had to pay 100 to get on, about £6, but I mean it was worth it anyway. Some guy was in there, and we've just gone for a little walk, come back, and now he's disappeared, and everyone's having it for free. So
well, no,
Early Bird does not get the worm.
These 2 people are the first, and I think if he catches them, he'll probably be like. But it's amazing. Though. You've got to do the rice terraces. They Definitely. Are fantastic.
So this literally is the definition of having the entire rice fields to yourself. Isn't that right, Joe?
Yeah. Ash makes friends with all the animals.
I said basically a rice field, and I can't believe there's actually fish. Like that water's only a couple of inch deep, and there's like
fish.
3 inch deep fish in there.
Fish.
Like,
fish again. Look where we are. And Ash is talking about the fish.
That is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. Look at the sunrise on the rice field. There's no one here except from her. Amazing. So
we're at the rice terrace. Absolutely amazing. We came in for sunrise, but unfortunately it was too foggy / hazy, and the sun's come out now, and it's just the most beautiful thing.
Amazing.
Wow, like
must do.
Yeah, and tip, Ash, what's the tip?
Mosquito spray.
Come early, definitely, as always. Come early. We got here for 6 o'clock for the sunrise. There was loads of people here because they all wanted to see the sunrise, but now what time is it?
8.
It's 8 o'clock now, and there's nobody here. Like literally it's just me and him. So yeah, awesome.
Hi guys, so we're going to bring the tempo down a little bit.
We've had to leave. Neither one of us are vegetarian or vegan or any of that, but we can't sit and condone that. So we're not going bathing in there, and we're just...
In the UK that would be classic animal cruelty, so...
I mean, people may disagree with us, people may not. It's up to you guys. You do as you wish.
But we weren't the only one.
No,
there were 3 or 4 people that watched it and all left.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a like.
Also, hit that bell to stay notified, and you can head over to our Instagram, It's Creative Ginge, for top travel tips and advice. See you next time.
Peace out. Creative Ginge.